Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to edit threads. So the first thing you do is tap on the threads app, and then you tap on profile icon, and then you go to thread. You can see it, first thread. Tap on the three dots at the corner, tap on edit, and then you can edit it by adding some other stuff. It doesn't support GIF, so let's say money on my mind. So you can also add AI label to it. So you post, and you can also tap on it again, save pin to profile. You can also decide to hide the likes and share count. You can decide who can reply and quote. So if I choose anyone, means anyone can reply. Profiles I follow mentioned on, and let's say profiles I follow, and then that's it. You can love it, comment, post, and the rest of it. That is how to edit threads. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like this.